Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, helpful video trying to find fuses and relays for trailer left and right turn signal, guys. Fuses relays for trailer left right turn signal on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. 14 to 18. If you need to, guys, also buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays for your GMC Sierra 2014 to 2018 or any car. We'll share the information in the description of the video below. We can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from, and if you need something, you can get it from there. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the fuses and relays for trailer left and right turn signal, where you can expect to find them. Fortunately for us guys, we'll be working in a fuse box that it's easy to get to. Most people know about it. However, you have 3 different hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money guys. We need to open the hood. When you open the hood on the driver's side here, you see, next to the brake fluid reservoir, you have one fuse box, guys. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, what we need to check now, okay, let's talk about that. This is fuse box out of year 2018 GMC Sierra. They changed the fuse box in 2018, 2014 through 17 used the same fuse box. We'll explain about both. So if we zoom in a little bit now, the first fuse that you will need to check will be known as fuse number 14 right here. The next one will be fuse number 17. 14, 17. Now, if you have 2014 through 2017 model, the location will be exactly the same. For these fuses, it didn't change. That's 14, that's 17. These ones you will need to check. Now, guys, something else. You don't have a relay. Okay, those are fuses that are known as relay fuses. That will be the only thing that you need to check on your GMC Sierra. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.